Python, change values in a dict based on list. I have a dict check_dict with keys and values, and another list input_list with keys. I'm trying to make keys in check_dict to true whose keys are present in input_list. Expected output.
If you want to use dict comprehension, as at Spookcork mentioned in a comment, this will do the same, but is much more readable.
You can iterate over input_list, and then make an if statement. If a string from the input_list is in the check_dict, then we change its value to true.
How's it?